Hey YouTube friends, TeresaLouise here, and today I have my Sew Sampler box. And before you say anything, I know the words backwards. I reset all my settings and now I don't know how I fixed it the last time. So anybody know how to do it? Let me know down in the comments. So let's just get this baby open anyway. We all know what it says, right? All right, Vintage Soul, June 2021 box. And looks like we got some more freebies this month. Well, last month. And we're going to get a Pink Oh So Clean brush set with the purchase of $15. I'm going to fold that over and then let's see, see that little, those are cute. And those actually work pretty good. I have the blue one and I really like it. So I might get that. And then there's 20% off of Laundry Basket Favorite Collection. And it's Satar. I butchered that, I know. I'm sorry. Looks like that. And then her book, which is the Pillow Talk. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but there was some really super cute patterns on there in this book. So looks like that. Yeah, I'd like to get that book. So I'll have to go check it out. Good coupons, I think, this month. And I like the ones last month too, although I haven't used them yet. And then, of course, we get this little pamphlet. We get this little book. All right. So I'm going to try and go a little faster. So I hope you all don't mind. Ooh, we got lots of great stuff here. What to show you first? Looks like we got a Flamingo Stiletto. It is a turning tool. Very cute. Yes, and actually don't have a turning tool. Not like this anyway. So that's cute. You know, this would also be really cute to put in one of your houseplants. Oh, hey, we got heat-resistant thimbles. Silicone protection for the fingers. And Gypsy Quilter. Looks like there's a set of 3, and it's 3 different sizes. So you could do thumb, this finger. I'll give those a try. You know, these also look like they might work pretty good for like free motion quilting. I'll have to open them and try them out. And then we have, ooh, this is pretty. Desert Rose. It's a limited edition needle threader by the Fat Quarter Shop. Very pretty. And I actually need one of these because I don't know about you guys, but I always bend the little needle threader part and it gets all mucked up. It'd be good if they came with like a protective cover on them. Or I might be able to find something to put this in. Or maybe keep it in the package or something so I don't bend it. But anyway, I think it's very pretty. Rose colored. There, maybe that's, yeah, I like that. Ooh, and we got not just 1, but 2 chart backs. And it also is by Satar. I'm very sorry. I know I'm butchering that, but anyway, it's called the Seamstress and of laundry basket quilts. So very pretty. Let's see if I could show you some of them. It's pretty hard to flip these little things. Maybe if I stand up, I can get you a good view. Try and just flip through them real fast. Doesn't look like there's too many repeats. Oh, now I say that and then all of a sudden I get repeats. That was pretty. Very subtle colors. More repeats. See, I lied. That's a cute little one. Nice. I like that one. One's tan. Little squares. Ooh, that's pretty. Like that one. Nice. I think I like more of them than not. I don't care too much for that, but some of them are kind of iffy. But, you know, once you cut them up and put them in a quilt, they all look pretty, right? And I actually would rather get these charm packs instead of those honey buns. You know, you could just do more with a charm pack. That's pretty. I like that one. Ooh, I like that one too. Yeah, that's a nice color. And that kind of makes your eyes go goofy. It's pretty. And then one of these dark ones. So you got two of those. Cool. And then this is the pattern. And it is 46 by 46, or 46 and a half by 46 and a half. So nice little pattern. I like Fat Quarter Shop's patterns because they're easy to, oh, sorry. Sitting there talking to my belly button. Because they're easy to follow. So, and then they're doing a block of the month called The Bright Side, and it looks like it's like a friendship block. Let me show you that right there. So I'll just put that with all the other ones. And so, yeah, value of the charm packs, $19.96. The Flamingo, $6.98. Little thimbles, $4.48. The needle threader, $4.48. Pattern, $9.98. And the block of the month is $4.98. So that comes to about $51. Somewhere right around there. And this box cost me $24.99 plus shipping. So I don't usually add the shipping. I know that's a cost, but I don't add it in on the value of the box. So that's $26 worth of product. So that's pretty good. Yeah. And, you know, I'm not crazy about this pattern, but hey, it's all right. I got it, so. I think I like pretty much everything that's in here. You know, I will try these. I don't know. I never really had that problem burning my fingers, but of course I say that, and so the next time I iron, I'll probably burn my fingers, right? So what do you guys think of this box? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. That's what that is. And hey, why don't you share this video with your friends? Because I'm really trying to hit 1,000. Yeah, you know why? So I can go live easier. I think that would be great. All right, thanks everybody. I really appreciate you checking in with me. Until next time, get out there and sew something. Bye.